Morning. It's Boxing Day. My body clock doesn't allow me to sleep past 6 a.m. these days, so I thought I'd go on a nice little early morning walk to a place which is hopefully going to be really cool, because I haven't been there since I was a kid. So you're going to see there's nobody around. That's how early it is. Well, there's never usually anyone around here anyway. But hopefully we're going to go somewhere pretty cool. Fingers crossed. I haven't done this walk. This area is pretty local to where I live. But I haven't done this walk since I was probably 12 years old. And yeah, bit of overindulgence on over Christmas. Mr. Gray's feeling it. It's currently 6 degrees Celsius. The proper measurement. I'm bloody boiling. But you can't beat that mountain air. Especially after Christmas. I forgot how steep this was. I'm knackered. I'm about halfway there. It's a slimy seat. Remember that waterfall about a year ago now? It took me 3 attempts to get to because it was a goddamn adventure. That's not far from here. It's a couple of miles over that mountain. That's a lot harder to get to. This one's a bit easier to get to, but it's still bloody steep. But at least this one has a track. I mean, the last one probably did, I just bloody missed it. I think I'm about halfway now. God, I can't wait. I already can't wait. I'm boiling. I don't know why I got this bloody thing on. I think you've probably guessed where I'm going by now. That is not the actual waterfall though. That's the different one. That's the lower waterfall. There's one higher up, which I will get to. Well, that's pretty cool also. We're getting into steep territory now. And muddy. But I do have my boots on. It's a thing, alright? And I do this all the bloody time because I'm useless. I plan to do a comments video up here. Just a small one. I got my phone, but no signal. Thank you. Thank you, EE. Much appreciated. This is the ancient road that the hobbits took 10,000 years ago. I'm knackered now. Someone in the comments the other day said I complain too much. What do they mean? I don't complain, I whinge. There's a difference. Don't need that light, do I? I didn't bring any, like, I got water with me. Didn't bring any Mars bars. Nothing. If I die up here, I have no Mars bars. I must go on. No, I just realised. And I totally forgot. Because like I said, I haven't been up here since I was like 11, 12 years old. That's bloody steep. This is what we're walking up. If you lose your footing, you're gone. You're going on a little adventure down there in the rapids. As cool as that would be, I'm going to try my best not to go down there. Oh dear. That is bloody steep. That is cool. I must admit, even though I'm knackered, that is a pretty cool view to be up to looking at on Boxing Day. I must admit. I think I'm here. It's high cliffs, I forgot about the high cliffs. Oh, I'm so glad to get here now. That'll be a good waterfall. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, slippery rocks everywhere. Look, there's a little stone pedestal. Hopefully you can hear me. It's not too loud because I'm not too close yet, but it's worth it. This is worth it. It's worth getting up this early. And just like the last waterfall, if there's any lizard people who have the balls to face me, come out now. None. None. Ooh. This is it. It's not cool. I don't know how close I can get to this. Even though it's 6 degrees right now, Celsius, and my camera's getting sprayed with water, it feels really nice. I can feel the spray off the waterfall. It's really bloody nice. I don't know how close I can get. You're gonna see the man of danger in action right now. That's pretty close. I'm getting absolutely soaked. Oh, I'm soaking. And I don't think this camera's waterproof. Oh, God. But I made it, and my camera's soaking. Nothing cleanses the soul than coming to a place like this. Honestly. I love it. And I've been wanting to come up here for the last couple of weeks. It's Christmas, you know, stuff like that. But it's been raining the entire bloody time, and today is like the first day, Boxing Day, that it's been clear enough to come up here. Now I'm going to try and get the thumbnail and not die in the process. I'm soaking, but it was worth it. So I'm going to make my way down now. So I only wanted to come up here to see that because I haven't been up here since I was a kid. And I'm glad I did. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little adventure. I love going to a place like this. Like I said, nothing cleanses the person better than coming to a place like this. I'm boiling. It's 6 degrees. There's really cool like stone Do you call them pedestals? I don't know what you call them. I'm assuming it's in memory of a loved one, I hope. I gotta walk back down now. I don't even know what time it is. And I've no signal up yet, so if the lizard people get me, no one will know. But they haven't got the ball. What am I doing shouting at the bloody waterfall? It's only 8:45 in the morning. 8:45, sorry. So I'm gonna go down now and enjoy the rest of my day. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed it. And I'll see you again soon. Happy Boxing Day.